Alrighty, day 10, part 3, Ford Ranger rocker panel passenger side repair. So this is the third base coat. This is what it looks like right now. I let it dry for a good 45 minutes. No need to do so. I just had some things to do. So let me show you what it looks like right now, dried after 45. Did a little bit of work off camera also. I want to show you underneath. So yes, the panel is not perfect by any stretch of the means. If you see the first video starting at day 1, I had several gaping holes in the panel itself. But for driving around in a 25-year-old truck, this is what you get. A little bit of labor, a little bit of time. If I was to estimate how much time I've actually put into this, I'd say, including getting materials, running around, I'd say 6 hours. And that's including getting all my materials, running around the stores, and just running around. I say solid 6 hours of honest work. And this was a lot faster than what I did on the other repair on the driver's side, which took me, that took me some time. Let's put it that way. I'd have to add up all the minutes. So anyway, this is going to be the third coat that I'm putting on. Right now the wind's blowing, that's why I'm delaying spraying right now. But I have quite a lot of product left in this can using this perfect match. Like I say, it comes out really nice. And like I said, we're pretty good right now. The wind is still blowing hard. I could leave it like this, but I just want to throw one more coat on. Then later on, I'll come back with the clear coat on it. Alright, wind has stopped.